Hi, fellow creatives. Ever wanted to bring a unique boho vibe into your crochet designs? Look no further. In this Domestika course, Sonja Woitschek, a passionate crochet designer, will teach you how to infuse your projects with color, creativity, and a bohemian flair. In this course, you'll learn how to create stunning pieces using granny squares, a timeless crochet technique that has been modernized with Sonja's vibrant, boho-inspired designs. From the basics of crochet to selecting materials and exploring color combinations, Sonja walks you through every step to help you create your very own blanket or bag from granny squares. What makes this course special is Sonja's ability to transform crochet into something relaxing and accessible. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced crocheter looking to try something new, this course has something for everyone. You'll discover how to connect your granny squares, crochet edges, and even add tassels for that extra boho touch. With 17 lessons and tons of downloadable resources, this course covers everything you need to master granny squares and create a piece that reflects your personal style. Plus, Sonja shares her best tips for caring for your blanket, ensuring your creations last for years to come. Sonja is known for her relaxing designs and has sold her work through platforms like Etsy and Ravelry. She's been crocheting since she was 6 years old, finding joy and meditation in every stitch. In this course, she shares that passion with you, offering a fun, hands-on experience that will inspire you to keep creating. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of bohemian crochet, click the link in the description, and don't forget to use the coupon RODLEVEL10 for an exclusive discount. Start your journey today and bring a cozy, colorful vibe into your home with your own handmade creations.